Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study at night in winter. First, create an inviting study space. Good lighting is crucial to keep you alert and focused, so use bright, warm lights. Make sure your room is comfortably warm, perhaps around 70 degrees Fahrenheit, to avoid shivering or feeling too sleepy. Eliminate all potential distractions by putting your phone on silent and closing any non-essential browser tabs. This dedicated environment will significantly boost your productivity. Fueling your body correctly is key for effective night study. Keep a water bottle nearby and sip regularly to stay hydrated and alert. Opt for light, healthy snacks such as a handful of almonds or an apple, which provide sustained energy without causing a sugar crash. Try to avoid heavy meals right before studying, as they can make you feel sluggish. Also, limit caffeine intake several hours before you plan to sleep. To maximize your learning, employ smart study techniques. Use the Pomodoro technique, working in focused 25-minute bursts followed by short breaks. During these 5-minute breaks, stand up, stretch, or look away from your screen to prevent eye strain and mental fatigue. Before you finally call it a night, quickly review the most important concepts you covered. This brief recap helps solidify the information in your long-term memory. Staying motivated through the long winter nights is essential. Set achievable goals for each study session. Ticking them off provides a great sense of accomplishment. Don't forget to reward yourself for reaching milestones, whether it's a short video or a favorite snack. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Finally, ensure you get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Rest is crucial for memory and overall well-being.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.